Okay, so we've welded down the full length of the sail. This one we pull in. When you're doing a wider sail, you can push the sail forward like this and then grab hold of it to get the tension right. And also on the last weld at the end, because this is the end that takes the flogging, we hit it twice with the heat. So I'll hit this with two welds. You can see the weld. The weld should be about 3.5 to 4 amps, and a duration of no more than say 6 seconds. There you go. We'll just trim this up now.